Whether you're a small content creator or you just like to make cool videos for fun, a GoPro would probably come to mind, wouldn't it? But is it really worth it? Or can you just shoot on one of these, an iPhone? Let's find out. So my game plan is to film a few shots with the GoPro and then film a few shots with the iPhone. And we're going to test some things like the audio quality, even though that probably shouldn't matter for action shots. And then we're going to do video quality, which I already know is better with the GoPro, but still. And then we're going to do coloring and stuff like that. So this is currently being shot on the GoPro, but the iPhone actually has an action mode. So right here, you can change to 4K and then 60, so then it's a lot smoother. But then here, there's also an action mode. And if you turn that on, now with hyper smooth, like I'm shaking the camera right now and you can't tell probably, because I mean, maybe you can't tell, but you pretty much can't tell because it's like stabilization on the actual camera. Whereas here, if I start the video, it's still really shaky like that. But then, if I actually put it on the iPhone, it's pretty smooth. So now I'm going to test the GoPro Hyper Smooth. If I start the video, it's still really shaky like that. But then, so here you can see if I turn on Hyper Smooth, it has 4 different modes. It has off. Okay. It has off, and then it has boost and auto boost. So we're just gonna turn it on, and now we're gonna try the Hyper Smooth. So I just start the recording, and it's already really smooth, just like that. I'm gonna shake it a lot, and then yeah. Okay, seems pretty fine so far, but like if you shake it on here, it doesn't show in real time. Like it's pretty much hyper smoothing in real time. So now if we stop the recording and then we swipe up and we view it, and it's already really smooth, just like that. Shake it. Yeah, see? Like I'm shaking it right now and it's just, that's pretty smooth. Okay, now let's move on to the next feature. And let's see how the audio quality is. The recording, and it's already really smooth, just like that. Shake it a lot, and then okay, so whether I'm using the front camera or the back camera doesn't really matter for audio quality. So here I am right here, and then if I go further away, this is the audio quality, and if I go closer, hello. Okay, now let's check the GoPro. Okay, so for the GoPro audio quality, if I go close up with a linear lens, doesn't really make a difference, but that is the GoPro audio quality. If I put my finger on the microphone, there you go. And then if I back up, that is the audio quality. And I'm gonna have to see how it looks because my ears are hearing things. Of course they are. Now, one thing about the GoPro is that it does have tons of different mounts, including these flip feet at the bottom here. The new GoPro has like a nicer one, but of course I'm just using the GoPro Hero 11, my trusty camera. Now for the price point, I got this at $550 because it was the newest GoPro at the time, but then I got the GoPro Hero 12 came out and it went down to like $479, and now I think it's still at $479, but it's a lot cheaper to get now. If you want to get like those GoPros with like the fancy lenses or the HDR video, I don't mind. Like, I don't really care what you do, but I love this thing. But if you want to shoot every day and have, like, convenience, I would go for an iPhone. Because carrying this around everywhere, especially if you're, like, in somewhere weird, like, or somewhere new, not weird, then it gets pretty awkward. Like, I was carrying this around in Portugal. Man, people are looking at me like, but, like, if you have an iPhone, people won't look at you. That's normal. So, in conclusion, I think that if you're shooting action, you should go with an action camera because it's probably better for action. That's what I would assume. That's it, and you should subscribe because this is a good channel. Bye-bye. You can watch a video up here if you want. See you there. I don't really care, but you probably should.